Hello everyone and welcome back to S3 Chronicles. In today's Linux tutorial, we're going to learn about LSMOD command in Linux. The LSMOD command is a powerful utility used to display information about currently loaded Linux kernel modules. If you ever wondered which drivers are loaded in Linux, how can I verify a kernel module is active, how do I troubleshoot driver-related issues, the LSMOD is one of the first commands you should know. What is a kernel module? Before learning the LSMOD command, let's quickly understand kernel modules. The Linux kernel is a core component of the operating system. It manages CPU resources, memory, storage resources, network devices, and hardware communication. Linux uses modular design, which means functionally can be added or removed dynamically using kernel modules. A kernel module is essentially a piece of code that extends the Linux kernel without requiring reboot. Examples include network drivers, file system drivers, USB drivers, virtualization modules, storage controllers. So why kernel modules are important? Instead of compiling every driver directly into kernel, Linux loads modules only when needed. Benefits include reduced memory usage, better performance, easier maintenance, dynamic driver loading, no reboot required. Most modules are automatically loaded by UDEV. The Linux Device Manager. Where are kernel modules stored? Kernel modules are usually stored in lib modules kernel version under the directory. To see your current kernel version, you can execute uname-r. So let's check ls lib module 29 generic. So what does lsmod do? Let's clear the screen. lsmod. The lsmod command reads information from proc modules file lsmod and display loaded kernel modules in a readable format. Basic syntax is lsmod. So let's understand output. Each row contains 3 columns. The first column shows the module name, CCM for example. This module. The second module is size, memory usage in bytes, used by. The third column shows number of users, dependent modules. So 6 here, this means that this module is being used by 6 other modules. LSMOD display every currently loaded kernel module. How to check specific module is loaded or not? LSMOD grep CCM for example. Grep. Check USB modules. LSMOD grep USB. And we see information about USB modules. This helps verify USB related modules. To find modules that are currently have no dependencies, you can use lsmod pipe awk third column equal 0. And we see these modules are loaded but currently unused. Unused modules can help identify drivers loaded automatically, modules that may be removable, potential security hardening opportunity. LSMOD command provides only basic information. For example, let's copy this, clear the screen, LSMOD, filtering this way. Maybe you can see file name, description, author, license, parameter, dependencies, module version. This is extremely useful. LSMOD provides only basic information. For detailed information, you can use mod info and mod driver name, module name. The common information displayed by mod info, you can see file name, description, author, license, parameters, module version, dependencies, and other information about that module. To manually load module, you can use modprobe and module name. To verify module was loaded, you can use lsmod grep module name. If the module appears, it was successfully loaded. How you can unload, remove kernel modules? You can use modprobe -r and module name. By executing this command, I will delete SND sequence dummy module, but I don't want to delete this module. So be cautious. So difference between LSMOD and mod info. LSMOD shows loaded modules, module size, usage count. Mod info shows module description, author, license, parameter, dependencies. So the LSMOD command is an essential Linux utility for viewing currently loaded kernel modules. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this Linux tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow SRE Chronicles for more tutorials. Thank you.